Hello, I'm Bristol, the owner of Bodies by Bristol. Today I want to talk to you about my Ultimate Nutrition and Health Restoration Program. Over the last 24 years, I recognized that many people came to me sharing some same common health issues. Things such as feeling tired, fatigued, not having energy, always feeling bloated, chronic indigestion, struggling to lose weight or losing weight and then gaining it all back, along with many other chronic illnesses. Well, the way we eat and what we're exposed to plays a big role in why so many people struggle in their health. It's time for us to rethink nutrition. My Ultimate Nutrition and Restoration Program is designed to do just that. I realized in order for my clients to experience ultimate restoration in their health, it would take more than 28 days or 6 weeks. There are many key disruptors that cause us poor health. So I designed a 90-day program to identify those disruptors and create a plan using combinations of real foods, helping to bring restoration to their bodies. If you restore your nutrition, you will restore your body and ultimately restore your health.